The Senate hearing on the alleged sexual harassment incidents in several TV networks continued, with one of the victims attending the probe virtually. Because of the nature of the case, the upper chamber opted to go on executive session so that the alleged victim could narrate the incident in detail. Daniel Manalastas filed the story.
Though virtually, Sandro Mulak, the alleged victim of sexual abuse, faced the Senate panel. Senators tried to get as many details from him.
Who texted first?
Si Jojo Nones po. Nag-message po siya sa akin ng 3:59 AM. Sabi po niya sa akin, "So you kanina, didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba?" Nag-reply po ako. Sabi ko po, "Sir Jojo, sorry po, di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Hope to see you soon po, Sir Jojo." Tapos nag-reply po siya sa akin, "Enjoy, still partying? Sino kasama mo?" Sabi niya, "Nabitin ako sa inom." Napasabi rin po ako na ako nga din po eh. Then nag-reply po siya sa akin na, "Yes, soon. Ikas kita. Nagdidirect ako now."
Senators still tried to squeeze information from Mulak, and this time, Jojo Nones, a GMA independent contractor who is the object of a complaint, seems to be in hot water after Mulak's revelations.
Tuloy-tuloy ang pag-inom mo ng wine. Hanggat malasing ka. Nanghina ka ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nung pinapasinghot ka nitong dalawa, ano nararamdaman mo? Were you high? Nanghina ka ba?
Namanhid po ako, Your Honor. Hindi po ako nag-lie down. Hinila po ako sa bed.
Hinila ka sa bed?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Sino nang hila sa'yo sa bed?
Jojo Nones po, Your Honor.
You were sexually harassed?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nones denied the allegations.
You deny?
Yes po, Your Honor, we deny allegations po.
Ano ginawa niyo doon sa bata?
Wala po kaming ginawang masama kay Sandro, Your Honor.
Ano nga ginawa niyo? Doon nandun siya?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Really?
Nagkwentuhan, we
Really?
played music, we socialized.
Senators couldn't help but feel dismayed with what Mulak revealed.
At his own volition because you texted him.
Your Honor, with all due respect po, he said po, aakyat po siya, dadaan po siya saglit.
Because you texted him. Tinanggal ba t-shirt mo, Sandro?
Si Richard po yung nagtanggal. Polo po yung tinanggal, hindi po t-shirt, Your Honor.
Your Honor, hindi po totoo yun.
Hindi na kayo naawa sa bata?
Your Honor, with all due respect, please don't judge us. Hindi pa po kami convicted sa case. The case
but
has
you're
just
lying.
been filed po. We are not lying po,
judging
Your
you,
Honor.
you're lying.
We're also just defending our side, Your Honor. It is our constitutional right to defend our right.
Later on, the senators decide to cite Nones in contempt for allegedly lying. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.